Hey guys, it is our travel day and it's been a day and we haven't even left yet. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I have to update you on all these things. Basically, we were supposed to be in Orlando already a couple hours ago and we've been at the airport since like 9 a.m. It's 3 p.m. here in Iowa still, and basically Frontier Airlines sucks. I don't know if you guys have had issues with them as well. I'm sure all airlines have issues, but when we got to the airport, it seemed normal, like everything's ready to go on time. Okay, they put the bags on the plane, about to board, but then all of a sudden there's maintenance issues. An hour later, they're like, okay, we have to move the plane to the maintenance spot, so we're gonna let this other boarding group go. So we're like, oh god, it's gonna be a while. So I guess the plane that we're supposed to take has major issues. Someone said they hit a bird or something coming back to Des Moines. I don't know if this is the case, maybe, but they just like had us sitting around for hours. Like literally we were at the gate probably 4 or 5 hours before they would even give us an update. Like they didn't know, and it's so frustrating because like obviously we could have gone home, we could have done other stuff. Just a total waste of the day, and it sucks because like I had all these fast passes planned at Magic Kingdom, but it's fine because I know we'll get to go back to Magic Kingdom, and I'm just thankful that we're still gonna be able to make it because thankfully they're flying another plane in for us from Denver, so that's what we're waiting on now. We just left the airport, finally we could leave, and we're gonna come back because our next flight's at 6:30. So we've been in Des Moines since like 9 a.m. and we sat at the airport for hours and hours, but I'm just thankful we are getting a new plane because I was just getting so anxious about what was gonna happen, if I would even be able to get to Orlando on time, if I'm gonna have to cancel my whole trip over this. Because the Des Moines airport is so small, they just don't have enough flights going out. But thankfully they're bringing another one in, so we will make it there late and we won't get to do anything tonight. But something interesting, since our flight was delayed, I had a package held here in Des Moines because I was going to be gone, and it is my Jeffree Star Bloodlust palette. So I did go ahead and pick this up so I can at least use this on the trip. I was very upset that it was going to be delivered today since I would be gone. I couldn't get a video up, and I probably still won't have a video up till like next week, but at least maybe I could kind of test it out and get a feeling for the palette. So I did get it, and this packaging is so bougie, you guys. Like, what the heck? I was not expecting this. This thing is so big. I think it'll fit in my backpack though. But anyways, that's the updates. I feel like I really didn't explain that well, but basically it's been a day and we still have a long ways to go. Hopefully we can get on this other plane and get to Orlando. You guys, we made it. Oh my gosh. I don't even know how many hours it's been. It's like 11:30. But we're gonna get our bags and get an Uber, get to our hotel, and probably actually go to bed pretty soon. It looked like awesomeness after this long day. But I'm so excited to see the room. We're here at the Riviera. Here's the entrance. I know it's nighttime so you can't see, but I'm so excited. I think we can unlock the door with our magic band, so I don't think we even have to check in. There's like no one here. Oh, it says welcome home. So cute.
How's it going?
It smells so new. Doesn't it smell new?
Oh yeah.
It just opened in December. Oh my gosh, look at this.
Third floor.
That was quick.
Going down.
Almost to the room. I'm nervous to see how small it is because I saw that these are pretty small, but it should be okay for 2 people. We'll see. Oh my gosh, I love the painting. I still have my magic band attached here. Let's see if it'll work. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, it's really small. A little small room for the vacay. It does have a little deck. I'll probably give you guys a tour tomorrow, and then the bathroom's actually decent size. You can't even see. The bathroom is really nice. Little closet. But yeah, this room is tiny, but this folds out into the bed. Tyler's like, what the hell? Okay, so we folded out the bed. It's pretty cute. It's really small though once you have everything out, but I think since we're gonna be mostly in the parks and it's a way better deal to get the smaller room, I think it'll be okay. But it has the Peter Pan painting there. There's a little Aristocats one, and then the TV. But yeah, I can't get over the bathroom. That's just amazing. The shower is insane. So as I'm editing this, I wanted to throw this in there. So I didn't know what to do with the first night because my second day footage was so long. I kind of wanted that to be its own video of our whole day at Hollywood Studios. I also filmed a little bit of the resort that same day. So I was like, I'm just gonna put that in today's video because I kind of wanted this one to be like our travel day and then also a little bit of the hotel tour. So that's why my outfit changed and I filmed that the next day. But I thought it would kind of make sense to kind of just do a whole thing about the Riviera. So that is why things kind of went from one evening to the next. It got dark and then it was light. So hopefully that makes sense, but I just figured that's the way I would like to do it. So then tomorrow I just have the parks and stuff like that. Alright, so this is the Riviera gift shop. I'm gonna check out, they have some exclusive stuff. So they have cute little plushies. There's like Painter Mickey. I love this Daisy. This is so cute. And then they have the little keychain versions too. Okay, this shirt is adorable. Love. They have exclusive little Loungefly backpacks and the ears too. They have exclusive Riviera ears, which is so cute. I love these little photo frames too. They're adorable. They also have some Alex and Ani bracelets. I love these. They have so many new ones now. I need to get one from this trip, definitely. I love looking at keychains. Look at this little Marie one. It's so cute. Oh, they have an alien. Okay, that's adorable. They have these keys. Oh, Disney Vacation Club ears. I wish. I'm trying to convince my husband that we need to come here like every 3 years, but I don't know. He's like maybe every 10. He's not the biggest fan, but well, they have a Skyliner shirt. Here's another backpack. This one's the Vacation Club backpack. Very cute. Oh, look at the Mickey. That is adorable. So that's in the Riviera gift shop. Let's check out the cafe.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
We got some desserts.
How about
And now we're outside. It's so cloudy, so it's like the perfect weather right now. Honestly, it feels so good. It's warm, but there's a nice breeze. You can see the Skyliner in the back as well as this lake, and then Caribbean Beach is off in the distance. It's not super big, it's easy to navigate. I'm really liking it so far, honestly. I've stayed at this one and the Boardwalk. I've also stayed at All-Star Movies forever ago, but I don't know, I definitely like this one over the Boardwalk. They're kind of similar in the sense that they are pretty small, which I like, but don't know, I'm liking it so far. I think it is a nice choice, plus you have all these nice benefits like the Skyliner being so close. It's not super crowded, so I like that a lot, but this is beautiful. I could just sit outside all day, honestly. Here's the pool. It looks like they have a running trail even. So I could probably swim right now, but it is a little chilly. I don't know if this is the Caribbean Beaches pool or what. I don't know if we can get in there, but it is nice that it's so close because this is a huge resort. I feel like there's a lot to do, a lot you can walk around and see. I'm loving this, and look at this, these palm trees, everything. Alright, I'm back at the resort. I filled my mug with some Mr. Pibb. I love that they have Mr. Pibb here because it's my favorite. But I wanted to show you guys their desserts they have here at the quick service. So they have some really good looking stuff. There's a warm sticky bun. We got some banana bread, which looks amazing. That one definitely would be my favorite. They also have some croissants. There's some cute little Minnie and Daisy cookies. And then they have blueberry muffins and some bagels. So lots of goodies. And you can also get gelato since this is a European themed resort. They have almond, vanilla chocolate chunk, and then vanilla cherry swirl. I had to show you guys a view of our deck. I just got showered and everything, so I'll just show you the outside because you can't really see me. It's too dark, but I love that this has a little deck with this room. It makes it so fun. And it feels so good out. I know it's supposed to rain tomorrow. This was supposed to be the nicest day and we missed it, but it's fine. But they have like the palm trees here. You can see Epcot in the background, even though there's some trees. I'm gonna zoom in, but you can see the little Epcot ball. So cool. This is just beautiful. And then this, you can't really tell, but it's a lake, and I think you can see the Skyliners. And then I think this is Caribbean Beach Resort. But yeah, I should probably go to bed. It's like midnight, so I'll see you guys in the morning for Galaxy's Edge Day, which I'm so excited.